Welcome to Avni's Green Swing near Telangana Mobility Valley, a DTCP RERA-approved resort-style exclusive gated community with villa plots. This project spread over 20+ acres with DTCP and RERA approved, confirming compliance with all regulations and making the project ready for immediate possession. Mortgage plots have been released and occupancy certificate also received. 100+ plots. Plot sizes starts from 400 to 1200 square yards. The project features a grand entrance arch that sets a welcoming tone for the community, with 24/7 security along with solar security cameras to ensure the safety and peace of mind of all residents. The construction of the compound wall for this project has been completed, along with the installation of electricity and LED street lights, as well as the development of avenue plantations and beautiful parks. The first park is named Eden Gardens. As you can see, it is beautifully landscaped. A party-themed garden for celebrating any occasions such as functions and events can be celebrated with friends and family. Now you are looking at the Sun Sport Garden, a park designed to enhance your well-being with various outdoor sports facilities. Here, you can see a half basketball court and cricket practice nets. Additionally, there is a sand volleyball court, play equipment, and an outdoor gym. You can enjoy quality time in the Sun Sport Garden with family or friends on weekends. What you are seeing now is Bliss Garden, which has been developed with a Nakshatra Vanam theme. This means that each person has a tree associated with their birth star, and such trees are being planted here. It's a serene place to relax, meditate, and sit among the trees. The fully developed project was handed over to the Owners Association last month, and they will manage all maintenance. The roads here are 40 feet and 33 feet wide BT roads, all with properly developed footpaths. An overhead water tank has been constructed in this project with water pipeline and electricity connection to each plot, bowels and rainwater harvesting pits. Underground drainage with septic tank is being provided. Apart from these, walking tracks, gazebos and sitting areas are also arranged in each garden. Apart from these, a resort named Avni's Resort is being built here. This resort has banquet hall, restaurant, indoor games, guest suite rooms and swimming pool facilities. The resort is expected to be completed by summer 2025 and will open to the public and community members. What you're looking at now is a model house designed in vintage Kerala style to BHK home design. Homes are also built in vintage style. That means Kerala style or Chetnadu style, but you can also customize as needed. Plans for this vintage style home range from studio style to 3 BHK homes available. This model house is completely traditional in design and looks great. You're looking at the open kitchen area, which seamlessly integrates with the living space to create a spacious and inviting environment. This design promotes a sense of openness and connection. Here you're looking master bedroom design, and now you are looking guest bedroom design. Similarly, the ceiling is made of steel structure and boards and shelves are built in traditional style. There is also a swimming pool next to these model house, so if you want to build weekend homes or getaway homes with good taste away from the concrete and jungle-like city environment, this Avni's Green Swing is the perfect destination. Is a small studio house built in 500 feet on the site, and 4 more houses with different elevations are in the approval stage. Call the numbers on the screen for price details regarding this project. Spot registration facility is available with 100% clear title. This is the details of this project. Now let's see the location details. So if you look at Google Maps, this is all Green Swing project location. Let's take a look to understand where it is. Here you see Hyderabad Outer Ring Road, Narsingh. This is Shankarpally. This is Sangareddy, Sadashivpet, Mominpet, Vikarabad. So from Narsinghi to Shankarpally and then towards Mominpet. On the way after passing Mehtab Khangura, there is Avni's Green Swing project in an area called Yekatla, and Telangana Mobility Valley reached in just 5 minutes, where the Telangana Mobility Valley is coming up. Yekatla area land acquisition works are going on at present. Now we discuss about Telangana Mobility's Valley. That is for the future needs of electric vehicles. For research and development unit, it's spread over 1200 acres and units include EV testing lab, battery testing lab, simulation lab, component testing lab, and hydrogen and fuel cells testing lab. City simulation track and ADAS track will also be constructed here. ADAS stands for Advanced Driver Assistance Systems in a building built here by the Automotive University Center of Excellence. There will also be a plug and play incubation center. Hyundai has already announced that they will invest 1400 crores here. German auto parts manufacturer ZF has announced an investment of 322 crores rupees. Fisker company first after USA Engineering RD is going to be set up here. Apollo company to set up Digital Innovation Center here. Bosch company has announced to hire 3000 members to develop artificial intelligence and safety solutions for automotive. Now in terms of connectivity, Mominpet can be reached at a distance of 8 kilometers from Avni's Green Swing. Mehtab Khangura can also be reached at a distance of 10 kilometers. If we go to the right side from this Mominpet, we will reach Sadashivpet on the Mumbai highway. Avni's Honeycomb projects is coming up with a 25 acres residential project near this Sadashivpet. Similarly, we went to the right side from Mehtab Khangura and we will reach Sangareddy. Similarly, Shankarpally, which is developing very fast, can be reached in just 20 minutes from Avni's Green Swing. Vikarabad can also be connected from this Mehtab Khangura via Nawabpet. Also, Avni's Green Swing can be reached in 60 minutes from Narsinghi Gachibowli. This Avni's Green Swing project is located in an area with good connectivity to Mumbai Highway, Vikarabad, Gachibowli. Also, the regional ring road that you see here in red color is coming soon. You can reach